In this video, I'll guide you through how to link Gmail to Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have your Gmail account connected so you can manage emails directly inside your CRM, keep better track of conversations with leads and customers, and save yourself a lot of manual copying and pasting. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to crm.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Zoho CRM account using your usual credentials. It's helpful to do this on a desktop or laptop rather than a mobile device, just because the settings area is easier to navigate on a larger screen. Once you're in Zoho CRM, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon there, which is the settings icon. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where Zoho keeps all of the configuration options for your account, including email integration. After the settings panel opens, you'll see a range of options. What you're looking for here is the email section. Find and click on email. This will take you into the area where Zoho CRM manages all mail-related settings, like email configuration, templates, and integrations with external email providers. Inside that email section, you may see multiple email-related options depending on your Zoho plan and permissions. Again, choose the option labeled email. This is the one that leads you into the setup flow where you can connect your Gmail account and define how emails will be handled in the CRM. When that page loads, you should see an introductory screen for setting up your email inside Zoho CRM. There will be a button labeled Get Started. Click Get Started to move into the actual configuration process. If you've never connected an email account before, this is the screen that kicks off that initial setup. If you have other accounts connected already, it may show them, but you'll still have an option to get started with a new one. Next, Zoho CRM will ask what kind of email service you want to connect. Here you'll see Gmail listed as one of the available providers alongside others like Outlook or generic IMAP. Click Gmail. This tells Zoho that you want to use Google's email service and allows it to use the correct connection method and authentication flow. After selecting Gmail, you'll see an option to configure it. Click Configure. This is where Zoho will guide you through granting it permission to access your Gmail account. At this point, you may be redirected to a Google sign-in page where you choose the Gmail account you want to link. Make sure you select the account that you actually use for communicating with your leads and customers. From there, just follow the on-screen prompts to approve access. Typically, you'll review the permissions Zoho CRM is requesting and then confirm. Once you've completed that, Gmail will be connected to your Zoho CRM and you'll be able to send and receive emails directly from within the CRM interface, log conversations to contact records, and keep everything organized in one place. That's all you need to do to link Gmail to Zoho CRM. Take a moment to send a test email from Zoho CRM to make sure everything is working as expected and you're ready to go.